Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you all how I make this smoky delicious patty jollof rice that you can actually make in the comfort of your kitchen with real smoke. You can perceive the real smoke in there. So I know you're eager to know how I did it, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to add in some oil to my pot, and I'm going to allow it to heat a bit, and I'll be adding some ginger and garlic. Then I'm going to go ahead and stir it and allow it to fry for a few seconds. Then afterwards I'll be adding my tomato paste. So in my tomato paste I added a little bit of water just to lighten it up a bit. You don't have to do this if that's not how you make yours, but it's how I make mine. So I add a little bit of water to lighten it a bit, and I'm going to fry this for a few minutes. Keep on stirring and make sure your stove is on a low heat so your tomato paste won't get burnt. So when I'm done frying it, I'm going to be adding some of my pepper mix. So in my pepper mix I have there some blended pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and I blended it up and added to the tomato paste, and I'm going to stir it up. Then I'll be adding my steamed tomatoes. In the steamed tomatoes there I have just tomatoes, very ripe tomatoes, and some bell peppers like the red pepper. So I'll add it to that, and I'm going to stir it up. Then I'm going to cover this and allow this to steam for about 3 to 5 minutes on a low heat because we want it to cook through. Then after 3 minutes or so, I think about 5 minutes, so I'm going to stir it up. Then I'll be adding my already washed rice. Yes, I didn't parboil my rice, so I just washed it. So I'll be adding to that, and I'll be adding some jollof spice. So I'll be adding all my seasoning that I'm going to be using, curry powder, bay leaf, everything that I'll be using. I'm going to stir it up. So right here I'm just going to toast the rice. So make sure your stove is on a low heat. So I'm just going to toast the rice for a few minutes. So now as soon as I notice the rice is nice and well toasted, so I'll be turning my stove off. So I'm going to turn it off completely, turn the stove off. Then for what gives this rice this smoky patty flavor is the smoke. So I added the charcoal into a stainless steel plate, then I lighted it up. Then I went ahead and put it in the rice just the way you see me doing it. Then I'll go ahead and cover it with foil. So I'm just going to cover it tightly. So at this point, make sure your stove is completely off, it's completely turned off. So you're going to cover it tightly so that the smoke will infuse into the rice. Then I'm going to leave it to stay there for about 5 minutes. So 5 or 10 minutes. So 5 minutes later, I'm going to take the foil wrap off. So don't worry about your rice getting burnt. It won't get burnt as long as you turn your stove off. So 5 minutes later, I'm going to take out the plate of coal. I'm going to take it out. Then I'm just going to fluff my rice out. So look at that rich, nice orange color. So because I toasted the rice, like it has absorbed all the orange color for the tomatoes and all those good stuff. Okay, so yeah, let's forget about that now. So let's move on. Then after this, I'm just going to be adding my turkey stock, then some water. You can add any stock that you have, chicken, meat, whatever stock that you love to use. Add it into that rice. Then just don't add too much water, just add just a little bit. So I'll be adding a little bit of water. I will leave a list of measurements and a list of ingredients in the description box as always. So when I'm done with this, I'm just going to cover the rice, with the foil. So this rice needs to steam, guys. You don't need your flame to be very high. It needs to steam on a low heat, very low heat. So cover it tightly and allow this to steam for about 20 minutes and your rice is ready. So make sure your stove is on a very low heat. It doesn't need too much heat. So 20 minutes later, I'm going to take the lid of my pot off. Then I'm going to show you how it looks. So now that's how it looks, guys. You can actually taste, perceive the smoky flavor, guys. Like, this is not a joke. I'm not kidding. If you want a smoky patty jollof rice, make sure you try this out. And if you want to use the oven to make this, just follow this procedure. You can also achieve the same smoky flavor using your oven to bake your rice. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and give the video a thumbs up if you like what you see. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much. Look at that rich orange color. Like, seriously, if I serve this rice to you, you ask me, where did you get this patty rice from? So guys, make sure you try it out. I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.